I hear noises inside my head before falling asleep. It sounds crazy, I know. I can't remember when it started, but it's been years since I started hearing stuff before falling asleep. It's kind of hard to describe, so I'll do my best. Everything's normal before I go to bed. But when I'm trying to sleep, I start hearing random things inside my head. They can be songs, random musical notes and instruments, fragments of conversations that don't make any sense, fragments of random words, and many other things. The noises raise and lower in volume, and sometimes they get so loud that they make me open my eyes and look around until they fade in a few seconds. My mind has never been quiet. Could they be some kind of hallucinations? Does this thing even have a name? I've never been able to find a scientific or psychological explanation behind the noises. Anyone else going through the same?